Well, the rain's falling and good a time as any to get back to some work on the boat. So we're coming down to the detailing. I've got the paint crew showing up this afternoon and they're going to start priming these rails and so forth. So this is kind of last wraps. So when I'm caulking a bead like this, I'm drawing the gun towards me and I have a 45-degree angle cut on the tip of the caulking gun. There's a bead that shows itself as you draw the caulking gun along. You want to just see that bead in front of the tip of the caulking gun as you go. And that tells you that you're going at the right speed. Before we start priming, I've got some bungs that are pretty typical. They got chipped a little low. Things like this, I'll just use a marine Bondo. I've got this big knot in my toe rail. I'm gonna just fill that with some of that filler as well. So if you remember when we laid the cloth, it's just an abrupt edge where the cloth ends and it's kind of a little channel. So I've mixed some epoxy and I'm just going to go around with a foam brush and I'm just going to seal that interface. As I fill the corner with the foam brush, I'm going to take a bristle brush and just brush behind, filling the weave of the Dynel and giving me a smooth edge once that epoxy hardens.